Hi friends, who doesn't like flowers? Flowers with various colors, shape, size. What can a garden be without the flowers? But do you know that flowers also have healing capacity? Every flower is connected with a thought and emotions. Our body is microcosm and this entire universe is a macrocosm. If something is missing in our body, we can always go to macrocosm and install the program. If you are suffering from various mental and emotional conditions like fears, anxiety, stress, phobia, depression, negative thoughts, lack of confidence, maybe you need some support for fasting, maybe you have some addiction. All these conditions can be treated with flower remedies. And that's what I'm going to talk about, the healing power of Indian flowers. See you there.